Hi guys, in today's episode of Taste of the Town, I'm at Tabanka, a Trini kitchen. New to North Lauderdale, they are serving traditional Trini cuisine. So come with me and join the Tabanka experience.
I just wanted to welcome everybody to Tabanka. Come in and join us and come and try the food. It's one of the best that you can ever taste.
Okay. So we have pumpkin, chana and aloo, boneless curry chicken, curry duck, curry chicken with bone, this goat, curry goat, dal, red beans.
And we have conch and some other stuff coming out.
Okay, conch and stew chicken. Okay, good. Homemade kuchela.
Yes.
Smells good. So a doubles here is $2, which is one of the second cheapest doubles that prices that I'm seeing. So they have everything that you would have on a Trinidadian menu: bacon shack, bacon bulldog, saddle roti, all of your sides, conch. So they have different specials, different days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Currants roll and coconut rolls. These are your male and female restrooms. Okay, so the sauces that goes onto the doubles, we have
Pepper choka,
coconut chutney, pepper sauce, bandania chutney, kuchela,
or tamarind chutney.
and tamarind chutney. Okay. Chana. Okay, so let me get 2 doubles with heavy pepper, one with tamarind sauce and one without. Everything else. So he's gonna make a doubles with everything. Thank you so much. So here we have curry duck, curry potato, pumpkin, and bus-up shot. The bus-up shot is soft and nice and silky. I'm gonna give this a taste now. And here we have. Okay, now to give this a test. See, the roti is really flaky and soft. Pumpkin, some duck. That pumpkin is really good. You guys know I like pumpkin. This pumpkin tastes really good. I want some. It smells really good. The bar itself is soft and nice and airy, just like I like it. So I'm gonna give it a taste now. Really good. So guys, this doubles tastes really good. Soft, light bara, very tasty, very flavorful. The pepper sauce, to me, I took heavy pepper, so to me, it's tasting out of this world. This is the best doubles that I've tasted here so far in South Florida. So for their first day, I have to give them props on how good their doubles is. So good. I think I'm gonna order a couple to take home. Really, really tasty and delicious. Guys, this is my second doubles. That's to tell you how good it is. It's one of the best doubles. If you miss doubles from home and you have one of these, this is the closest thing to a Trini doubles. Guys, the only way you can taste this is to come down here to Tabanka and try it out because it's really delicious. So guys, I'm gonna try here in this bowl. I have shrimp, chicken, goat, and curry chicken. So let me taste. Shrimp, not rubbery at all, and very tasty. Okay, so the next thing is the goat. The meat is very nice and tender. Still has a little bite to it, and that's how I like it. And then we have the stew chicken.
Yeah, I was doing it too, the kept signing it.
That's a really good stew chicken. Now the last one is the curry chicken. Good flavor. Nice curry taste. Enough seasonings. Really tasty and really delicious, and that curry is not the same curry taste. You get a different taste with each one of the different dishes. So I really like it.
Thank you, Natasha, for stopping by. Make sure and come by anytime you want.
Okay, great. The food was really delicious, and I'm going to definitely recommend everyone to come taste it.
Do that.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
Yeah. Well, they're playing, but the partner, they installed. So